Welcome to the tutorial on how to bridge funds to Berachain. First things first, you'll open up a browser and navigate to buy.foxify.trade. That will open the bridge website. And let me disconnect my wallet real quick to give you the authentic experience. You'll want to connect your wallet once you get there, so click it. You'll have a whole lot of wallets to choose from. If your wallet is not there, you can choose Wallet Connect and then select the wallet that you do have. But since I'm using MetaMask, I can simply click it. Next, you'll need to select the Ethereum ecosystem, and of course MetaMask will come up with a pop-up that you need to connect to. Perfect. Now that you are connected to your MetaMask wallet, you can see it right here, we'll need to determine what asset you'll want to bridge from. In my case, I do have some USDC on Sonic, so I'll take that. Well, we'll want to bridge to the Berachain network, obviously. And for funded, we'll need USDC. And in particular, we need USDC.E. So that is what I'm selecting there. For the amount, I'm going to just select $1 because this is a test. And right here, you'll be able to see the result. So if you were to bridge this over, you would get 0.9971 USDC.E on Berachain. There's always a little bit of commission or fee. Just click Review Bridge. It shows you again. It's going through Stargate V2. And then it will also tell you the gas fee that it's going to take, which is, of course, very, very little. Start bridging. And then there will be another message in MetaMask. I'm not going to select that. Okay, well, you'll have to confirm this message because you're actually letting it spend USDC for you. So you can confirm right there. Then transaction request, again, confirm. Then you see that the bridge transaction is pending. It's now confirmed. It's waiting for the destination chain. And this process can take a little bit of time. Alright, the token was just bridged successfully. But of course, we still need to add the USDC.E contract to our wallet. So what we do next is we open another Google. We type in Berachain USDC.E contract address, and even though the AI has given the correct address, I'm still going to recommend looking at the official document. So just click on the Berachain Core Docs document here, scroll a little bit down, and under tokens you'll find USDC token. Click that one. Then here you'll click Bridged USDC Stargate. And then this is the contract address you'll want to copy. And remember, it's 6 decimals. So copy the address right there. Then go into MetaMask. Click on the 3 dots right there. Import tokens. Next, make sure that you're on Berachain. And then you need to add custom token. So for the contract address, just paste, because that's what we just copied from here. Token symbol would be USDC.E. And token decimal, as you can see, it's right there, 6. So 6. Then we go next. This is indeed the one. Go import. And as you can see, is 0.997 USDC available, and that is exactly the amount that we bridged. And that concludes this tutorial. Thank you so much and have a great day.